Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today I want to present about our case study for MAT112. We are from BA1191C and group Delta 4. Before we start tutorial, I would like to introduce myself and my groupmate. First of all, my name is Damia Soleha and my groupmate named Putri Nur Aina Masara, Nur Huda Afika, and last but not least, our leader is Anis Farhana. First of all, for our case study 1, first question will be teaching by Nur Huda Afika. And the last question for case study 1, question C by Putri Nur Aina Masara. Next, case study 2, question A and D will be teaching by Anis Farhana. Lastly, for question B and C will be teaching by me, Damia Soleha. That's all for our introduction. Let's start our tutorial.
Okay, let's start with question case study 1. You are planning to open up an investment account with an initial investment of 5,000 ringgit for your son who is still 5 years old this year. You have shortlisted 2 local banks near you and the information shown you. So you have 2 banks, which is Capital Gas Bank and InvestWise Bank. A. Calculate the total interest and when your son turns 18 years old for each bank. So we go Capital Gas Bank first. First of all, write the formula as equal to P bracket 1 plus K divided M bracket power of M times T. So 5,000 bracket 1 plus 0.0505 divided by 3 bracket power of 3 times 30. So the answer is 8,587 ringgit 63 cents. So for the interest, we use formula I equal to S minus B. So 9,587 ringgit 63 cents minus 5,000. So the answer we get 4,587 ringgit 63 cents. Okay, next for the InvestWise Bank, we use the same formula. So 5,000 bracket 1 plus 0.0495 divided by 4 bracket power of 4 times 30. So the answer is 9,478 ringgit 50 cents. And then for the interest, we also use the same formula. So 9,478 ringgit 50 cents minus 5,000. So the answer is 4,478 ringgit 50 cents. Okay, next B. Which bank should you choose to invest your money based on your answer in A and justify your decision? So the answer is Capital Gas Bank. After 60 months of investment, the bank changes the rate to 3.95% compounded every 2 months. Calculate the amount of your investment when your son turns 18 years old together with the total interest earned. The formula we use in this question is S equal P bracket 1 plus K per M bracket M times T. Now the information based on formula equation that is 5,000 bracket 1 plus 0.0505 per 3 bracket 3 times 60 per 12. And the answer is RM 60,422.69 C. The answer and calculation is not finished yet because the question given is the new information. To explain the new calculation, we need to find after 60 months of investment, the bank changes the rate to 3.95% compounded every 2 months. Is 13 plus 5 minus 5, and the answer is 8 years. How we get 13 is from 18 minus 5 because the son started investment from 5 years old to 18 years old. We still need to use the formula from before, but just change the new information. After that, from B, we need to use the answer that we get from the calculation that we calculated before. Okay. Enter the information based on formula and the new question that given. That is 6,422.69 cents bracket 1 plus 0.0395 per 6 bracket 6 times 8. And the answer is RM 8,800.44 cents. The question is not finished yet because we need to find the total interest rate. The formula for interest is I equal S minus P. Enter the information. 8,800.44 cents minus 5,000. The answer is RM 300,1800.44 cents. That's all.
So this is a case study 2. Encik Marzuki, who just retired, is given 2 options for what he wants to do with his RM 1,880,000 in gratuity money. The first option is to invest the whole amount of money in an account that pays 0.8% compound monthly. He will then withdraw RM 5,000 every month until the account is empty. Another option for Encik Marzuki is to join a private retirement scheme where, under this scheme, he will get RM 5,000 every month for 30 years. Which option should Encik Marzuki choose? Justify your answer with relevant calculation. The first option, we use the formula PV equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus K per M bracket to the power minus M times T bracket per K per M. We enter the all information given 1,880,000 equal to 5,000 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.008 per 12 bracket to the power minus n bracket per 0.008 bracket per 12. So we want to find n and we need to use log, like log bracket 1 minus bracket 1,880,000 per 5,000 bracket 0.008 per 12 bracket equal to negative n log bracket 1 plus 0.008 per 12 bracket. So we can get the answer, and the answer is 4,433 payments. So the next option, option 2, the question is another option for Encik Mazuki is to join a private retirement scheme, where under this scheme, he will get 5,000 every month for 30 years. So we use n equal to mt, 12 times 13, and we get 360 months. So we need to times the months with what he get. 316 times 5,000, and we get RM 1,800,000. And the answer we get 180,000. I think option 1 is the best option because option 1 allows withdrawals for 433 months, which is longer than option 2 that only provides withdrawals for 360 months. Thank you.
After a month of retiring, Encik Mazuki is considering purchasing a boat so he can go fishing with no down payment required. The boat can be bought for RM30,500 through an installment plan by making 84 equal monthly payments. The interest rate just is 3.33% compounded monthly. Question B. Calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge. We use formula PV equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus K per M bracket power minus time T bracket per K per M. We use number information 30,500 equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.333 per 12 brackets power minus 12 times 84 per 12 brackets per 0.33 per 12. And the answer is 507 ringgit 56 cents. We use interest formula I equal to MTR minus PV. 12 brackets 84 per 12 brackets 507 ringgit 56 cents bracket minus 30,500, and the answer is 3,735 ringgit 4 cents. If you want to settle all the loan immediately after paying for the 60 monthly payment, one Roman, how much additional payment does he have to make? First, we must minus monthly payment. 84 minus 60. The answer is 24. We use formula PV equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus K per M bracket power minus M times T bracket per K per M. We use a number information PV equal to 507 50 cents 56 cents bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.0333 per 12 brackets power minus 24 brackets per 0.0333 per 12. The answer is 9,550 ringgit 16 cents. 2 Romans. How much interest is paid? We use formula interest is I equal to MTR minus PV. 24 brackets 507 ringgit 56 cents brackets minus 9,450 ringgit 16 cents. The answer is 331 ringgit 28 cents.
This is the last question of the case study 2. If he has not paid his first 3 monthly payments, how much should he pay on her 4 payments to settle all outstanding arrears? So the formula we use is FV equal to R bracket 1 plus K per M bracket power M times D minus 1 bracket per K per M. So the monthly payment is 460 7 ringgit point 56 cent, bracket 1 plus 0.0333 per 12, bracket power 4 minus 1, bracket per 0.0333 per 12. So the answer is RM 1,637 ringgit point 4 cent.